Today I will be showing you a technique on how to do a double exposure. So the first thing we want to do is head over to Elements and pick out our background image. I want to use this wave image right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fit it to my design space the way I want. And then what I want to do is download it. But since this is a premium image, I can't just download it by itself. So what you can just do is go over to Elements, Anywhere, Another Photo, go like this, go into position, and what I'm going to do is just stick it behind. And now that I have two, it'll let me download. So if you ever get that thing saying you can't download because it's just a single premium image, then that's a trick. Just put another element or something behind it. So now we're going to download it. I'm going to download it as a PNG because I'm in a video format because I like to have the bigger space when I'm teaching. And then I'm going to go over to remove BG. Why? Because it's so much easier when we're doing a mask. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go and drag this in. And what it's going to do is remove the background. So while it's removing the background, it's going to leave the part that I want to get rid of. So what I'm going to do is go into Erase and Restore. I am going to restore my image first. So I'm going to take the brush size up and just kind of go over this real quick. Oh, I missed some spots here. Sometimes it's intuitive, sometimes it's not. That's okay. Now I got my original image back. So now what I want to do is I want to go into Erase, and I want to erase all the dark blue parts. So what I want to do is kind of like go around here and go through here, go up into here, and go into here, and see it erase. So I might want to take a little bit and try to get a little bit of this wave in here. So I'm going to reduce that down a little bit and maybe get a little bit of this wave right here. So now I got a good wave going on. What I want to do is done, download. Then I want to go back over to my Canva. I want to upload it back into Canva. Wait for it to upload. And then we can go out. And then what you want to do is get it to fit over your original photo. Now, sometimes in Remove BG, it could be a little bit blurry. The image upscaler is not working very well today, so we're going to skip that part. If you know what day this is when you kind of watch it, you'll know what's going on and you'll be like, oh yeah, the image upscaler's been down. But all you have to do is go over here, click this little butterfly thing and upscale the image, but it's kind of broke today. It's not working. So now that I have these two images, what I want to do now is go and pick me out some photos. So I'm going to go up here and pick me out a photo. I really like this one there. So I'm going to put this one over top. I'm going to stretch it out. And then I'm going to work my positions. So what I want to do is I want to have my photo underneath here. And I want to take my solid photo, I want to put that on top. So you're going to have a solid photo, which we're going to take, and we're going to reduce the transparency down to about 50. You can make it even more transparent if you want to. You can take it down even further. But around 40 and 50, you can still see the lines and the waves there. So what I want to do, oh gosh, I wish the image upscaler was here because it's looking a little blurry. The mask is looking a little bit blurry, y'all. But the technique is still the same. We're just waiting. We're just going to have to patiently wait for the image upscaler to come back online. And then I'm going to sit here and line that up a little bit better. That should take some of the blur out. And line it up with your picture. So let's go in there a little bit more. And like I said, it's going to be a little bit blurry. We can try it. Let's try the image upscaler. I think it's not still broken. I don't want that picture done, though. I don't want that one. I want the mask. Let's go in position, grab the mask, go to the image upscaler, live action working around here. So let's do it 3 times. Let's see if it'll work. Oh, nope, it's still dead in the water. See? But the process is still the same. So if it looks a little blurry, sorry about that. We have a little technical difficulty on the Canva side. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So I can just go in now. I can go into elements. Let me see. I'll grab another photo. You can stretch it out and put it where you want to, like so. Take him, put him down like this. And then I can just go in a position and just change it out as much as I want to. Now he's in there. I can go into elements and grab another photo. Let's grab this one, do the same thing. And then you can just use this over and over and have all different kinds. So let's grab that, put it behind there. Now it's the city. We can go and grab, what else do we got? What else do we got in here, y'all? Originally it started off with an American flag. That was the question in the Facebook group. And you can put that behind there to make it kind of look like the American flag and the waves. So you can do all kinds of stuff once you get the mask made. So it's going to be the mask on the bottom. No, the solid, excuse me, the solid picture that you want coming through on the bottom. Then the mask. So we'll look. So you're going to have the solid picture on top at half transparency between 40 and 50. You're going to have the mask in your second position, and then whatever photo you want to do. So I can just like, if you want to use this for multiple photos, you can just really all you got to do is do like this. You can just layer them up and go voila, voila. I really like the city behind there. I think it looks cool. What about the nightlife? Let's do the nightlife. I like the boogie. Okay, I can't sing. Sorry, y'all. But that's how you do that. And I'm Michelle. I thank you guys for stopping by. I'm sorry for it was a little blurry, but the image upscaler is not working. So I hope to see you on the next one. I love you guys. As I said before, bye, y'all.